Welcome back to Mind Pump TV, guys. I am your host, Danny Matrenga, and today we are going to cover two very, very important questions about cardio in the gym. First question, and this is far and away the most common question I got when I was working as a personal trainer in a corporate health club, continue to work as a personal trainer independently. It just does not seem to go away. And that is, what type of cardio is best? Is there a difference between the variation of machines? So remember, we've got a spin bike, recumbent bike, treadmill, elliptical, Stairmaster, and even row machines. People want to know which of those options is best. Now, to put it quickly, they're all really close in regards to helping you lose body fat. The amount of calories you're going to burn per given hour on each of those machines isn't that differently. The Stairmaster and the row machine are probably going to burn the most, right? And the elliptical, treadmill, and recumbent bike will probably burn some of the least. And depending on how much you go or how hard you go on a spin bike, that could land anywhere from hardest to even easiest. But that being said, the discrepancy or the actual gap between all of them is really, really subtle. And which one you choose to do should come down to something that I call the FIT principle, which stands for frequency, intensity, time, and type. So when people ask which one's best, I always say this: pick the one you can do with the highest frequency, that you can do at an intensity that suits your current level of fitness, that is a type of cardio you actually enjoy and doesn't bother your body and joints, and most importantly, that you can do for a considerable amount of time. Especially if you're doing steady state cardio, doing it for a little bit longer will help with calorie expenditure and building your overall aerobic fitness. So the second question, and it's kind of an extension of the first one, is should I switch these things up because I don't want to get adapted? Now, the adaptation that's occurring from doing your cardio or the changes that are occurring aren't necessarily occurring from doing the machine. They're from improving your aerobic fitness. So people say, well, I'm getting really good at the Stairmaster. Should I switch to the bike? Should I mix it up? Should I do multiple? What's really improving here is actually the health of your heart. It's getting easier because you are getting more fit. So again, I go back to that FIT principle and say, just do the cardiovascular activity you enjoy most. Now, here's a bonus tip. And this is the way I do my cardio, and I think it's really, really valuable, and I think it's the best way. And that is to not do it in the gym at all. Do your cardio outdoors. If you're somebody who has access to parks, recreation areas, wildlife spots where you can do some outdoor walking in nature, not only do I think you're going to get pretty much the same cardiovascular benefit that you would doing it in the gym, but you'll get the benefits of being out in the sunlight, you'll get the benefits of being in nature. It's a better way to do your cardio, I promise. The clients I've worked with like it much more because it's not the same scenery over and over looking at a wall or a TV on a treadmill. You get the beautiful side of nature and all the vitamin D you need from the sun with just a couple 20-minute walks a week. So again, to wrap it up, guys, there's really not a huge difference between any of the machines. You definitely don't have to switch them up all the time. They're largely about the same. Just pick the ones you like, and if you have the option to walk outside, I would do that instead. Thanks so much for tuning into Mind Pump TV. If you found the video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave any questions you have in the comments down below. Now, regardless of your fitness goal, whether it's body recomposition, weight loss, muscle gain, increasing your nutritional understanding and knowledge, we've got you covered over at mindpumpfree.com. Head over there for access to all of our amazing free guides, as well as our blog, and even check out the podcast. Again, mindpumpfree.com. Have a good one.